If you are an administrator or Windows application administrator or any other operating system application administrator, normally you will get requests on the regular basis to install some applications on virtual machines or any other machines which end users will request with you. What will be the regular steps for you? Sometimes you're doing it manually, or most of the times you're doing it manually. Sometimes you'll use some utility to automate these steps. But assume a scenario where your company is in expansions mode where you have to install same applications in more than 1000 system. Then what you'll do? The first and regular steps you will perform to do it one by one, or maybe allocate this task to some of your colleagues member. But if you don't have those opportunity, you are the single person who has to perform this activity, then what will be your action? In this case, I will tell you we can achieve this quickly with the help of testRigor, which is an AI based platform or applications helps you to automate the entire installation process on Windows virtual machines or any applications. If you don't know about test triggers, feel free to refer my entire test trigger playlist, which I've created with more than 30 examples. And if you wanted to use test triggers, I've already added the URL in descriptions, which will help you to directly navigate into test trigger platform where you can start exploring this tool. Hi everyone, myself Deepak Rai, and today I'm going to tell you how to automate installation process with the help of testRigor. I'm regularly creating testRigor related contents. If you have any queries or questions, always reach out to me. I will be happy to help you. To start with this, here I downloaded one applications. So this is my Notepad++ applications I wanted to install in virtual machines. How I will do it. To begin with this, I've already created test suites. Here, I will add one new test cases. And to start with this, first you have to upload the applications or exe file. So while creating the applications, you have to add or select the exactly same steps. Like while creating this, you can add name, then the type of testing because it's desktop based applications. I will select this one, and finally we have here we'll select needy desktop, and here I will provide use test trigger infra, and post that we'll select Windows. From here we have to select the exe file, whichever exe file you wanted to install. Select on this. It might take a few seconds to upload this applications into the server. That's how easy to build some test cases. Once you are done, you will be navigated to this page where you can start building some test cases to test your installation process. For my side, I wanted to test Notepad installation. To install this, definitely we have to click on double click and then the application's name. So my application's name will be npp.8.8.5. That is a version name and normally the installer. Here I'll click on Pi and then launch app. So this is my first rule. After this, I wanted to add some wait time so that it should run smoothly. Post this, there will be a definitely different steps which we can even do it with the help of AI steps. But just for showing you, I'm going to write it down manually. Next steps will be click OK, and after that we'll add click next, because normally every application installation steps will be almost same. If any agreements will occur, right, or if any contract agreements will be there, normally what we are doing, we are accepting those agreement or terms and conditions. Here we'll add click I agree if there is any button, or we can use next steps. Here click next. After this, I wanted to add one more click actions. Click next, and post this, we wanted to create some shortcuts. So normally every screens will show up to create shortcuts. So here we'll add select create shortcut on desktop, and finally click install. After that, I wanted to add some wait time and click on finish. So these are assumed steps, which we can even assign it or take the steps from the AI steps as well. Once I will click on add and run, it will start generating steps for me. And these steps are exactly how I added it. Each and every screenshots will tell us the steps which is pass, fail and all, and you'll get to know where we can do the modifications. If you're already aware of the steps, confidently you can add those steps. But if you're not aware of the steps, definitely you have to assume little bit. And we can even assign the assumptions of these steps to the AI itself, where AI can assume it and generate the steps for us based on the application behavior, based on what we are getting it. So assumption is not exactly a right word for AI. Actually, after looking at the screen, it will try to give us the steps, and accordingly it proceeds further. So that's how we can automate the installations process. Let's wait for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds to see the steps is generated. Now you can see each and every steps is generated and action is performed what we have written there. Post installation process, you will see the success message also available, and you can see each and every screenshots is gathered at the time of installation steps itself. Because we have selected native desktop, so first and mandatory part is we have to upload the exe or msi file. Till the time we will not upload these files, it will not act what you're looking for, and exact installations will be not done. So this is how we can automate end-to-end installations process with the help of testRigor, which you can see it after final installations. It will launch the notepad, and even we can perform other actions like creating file or adding inputs into the notepad file itself. So that's how we can quickly automate end-to-end installations process with the help of testRigor. Question for you is, are you using similar type of tool or have you created your own utility? If not, then what is the regular steps you are following? Are you doing manually? Let me know in the comment sections. And if you have any suggestions, feedback or comments related to this video, feel free to add in comments. If you wanted me to create some other use cases using test triggers, let me know. I'll be happy to do it for you. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And I will repeat again a request from you. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, feel free to hit subscribe and bell icon. So whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. That's all from today. Thank you for watching.